Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I want to continue explaining example 2, and I want to highlight part B. I want to expand part B, and in part B we are told that we need to expand 1 over 1 plus 4x raised to power 2 up to including the term that has x cubed, and states the range of values of x for which its expansion is valid. And at this point, we still continue to realize that some basic mathematical knowledge are quite paramount and required here, because we cannot expand this function when it is at the denominator position. So we have to write 1 plus 4x raised to power minus 2. And in this case, n becomes minus 2 and our x becomes 4x. You can see once we have this, then we can be able to apply the formula as illustrated in example 2 way above this one. And it goes without saying that is expanded to 1 plus nx minus 2 4x, because this is n and this is x, plus n minus 2, n minus 1, that is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Then we have the x itself, which is 4x squared, everything over 2 factorial, plus another n, which is minus 2, n minus 1 minus 3, n minus 2, we have negative 4, then x, which is 4x cubed, everything over 3 factorial. And it goes without saying that we just have to simplify everything, and we have 1 minus 8x, because of minus 2 times 4x, giving us minus 8x. You have to be very careful here, because as much as we are having minus 2 times minus 3 to be positive 6, there is a 4 which is squared here. 4 squared is 16, so 6 times 16, of course, divide by, we have a 6 times 16, which is 96, times a half, because there is 2 factorial. This is not 21 but 2 factorial, which means times 1 over 2, we get something to do with 48 now, and it is positive because this is negative, positive, plus 48x squared. And that is now where we are, and we need now to talk about this. There is a minus 2, 4 cubed is 64, there is 64 times minus 4 times minus 3 times minus 2, and you get negative 15, that is 6. Of course, you'll have to multiply this by 1 over 3 factorial, and 3 factorial is a 6 because of 3 times 2 times 1, so times 1 over 6, you get something to do with 256, which is negative, so minus 256 x cubed, and that is the final submission as far as our expectation is concerned. So yes, this is just part B. We have 1 minus 8x plus 48x squared minus 256x cubed. And for this to be valid, what we have here, the modulus of 4x has to be less than 1, what we have there. That means the modulus of x itself has to be less than a quarter, having divided everything by 4. And that is just like it. It is as simple as that. Expansion becomes very simple, even when originally it was looking very complicated. So please get to my YouTube channel, subscribe, and share widely so that we can work together. All right?